Accu-Tell FOB Transferrin Cassette for feces samples. Test procedure. Unscrew the cap of the specimen collection tube, then randomly stab the specimen collection applicator into the fecal specimen in at least 3 different sites. Do not scoop the fecal specimen. Screw on and tighten the cap onto the specimen collection tube, then shake the specimen collection tube vigorously to mix the specimen and the extraction buffer. Incorrect sampling may result in excessive sample volume, which may clog the NC membrane pores after addition to the test strip, resulting in a non-run sample. Remove the test cassette from the foil pouch. Hold the specimen collection tube upright and open the cap onto the specimen collection tube. Invert the specimen collection tube and transfer 2 full drops of the extracted specimen separately to the specimen well S. Then start the timer. Read results at 5 minutes. Do not read results after 10 minutes. Interpretation of results. Positive, 2 or 3 colored lines appear. 1 colored line should be in the control line region, C, and another 1 or 2 apparent colored line should be in the test line region, T1 and or T2. Any shade of color in the test line area, T1 and T2, should be considered positive. Negative, 1 colored line appears in the control line region, C. No line appears in the test line region, T1 and T2. Invalid, control line fails to appear.